dear children. You have read many stories of Panchatantra, stories of Tom and Jerry, Spider-Man, Batman. We are also going to discuss a story about a king and his minister. Who was the king? Emperor Akbar, and his minister Birbal. Birbal was a very wise minister. He was very intelligent, very sharp and witty. And he helped Emperor Akbar at many places and at many times whenever he fell into any kind of a trouble or there was an issue. This story is Birbal's Khichdi. And what is a khichdi? Khichdi is a dish that is prepared using pulses, that is dal and rice. Dal chawal, the dish made with rice and pulses. And how Birbal helped a poor man, and how he made Emperor Akbar learn a lesson and accept his mistake. The story revolves around all this. One fine winter morning, Emperor Akbar and Birbal were walking along the lake. And when they were walking along the lake, that time a thought came to Birbal's mind, and he shared his thought with Emperor Akbar. He told Emperor Akbar that I think that any man would be ready to stand, any man can do anything for money. They can do anything for money. But Akbar said, no, I don't agree. And he stooped down and touched the water of the lake. And he felt that the water was very cold, and he had a shiver in his body. That time Emperor Akbar told Birbal that it is not possible that a man would do anything for money, and he would not stand in this cold water whole night for money. He challenged Birbal to find a man who would stand in the cold water for the whole night for money. And Akbar said that if you find a man and he fulfills the challenge, I will give him a reward. Birbal accepted the challenge of Emperor Akbar, and he luckily found a poor man who agreed to stand in the cold winter night for the whole night in the water of the lake. At the same time, what did Emperor Akbar do? Emperor Akbar kept 2 guards to keep a close watch on the poor man who was standing in the cold water. And what did this poor man do? This poor man accepted the challenge, and he stood in that cold water of the lake for the whole night. The next morning, when he was presented in front of Emperor Akbar, that time the guards also said, yes, he stood in the water for the whole night, and we witnessed this. And they told Akbar that he had fulfilled the challenge. But then Emperor Akbar said, no, it is not possible. It is not possible that someone could stand in the cold water for the whole night. And he questioned the poor man that how it is possible that you could stay in the water for the whole night. That time the poor man told Emperor Akbar that I could see a lamp burning far away in the palace, and I shifted my focus on the lamp. And I forgot about the cold water of the lake. That time Emperor Akbar said, that means this challenge is not complete, because you took the warmth of the lamp to stay in the cold water the whole night. And he said that the poor man doesn't deserve any kind of a prize or a reward for this. And the poor man was sad, but Birbal somehow decided to make Akbar understand that this is not correct, and in fact the poor man had stood in the water the whole night. The next day Birbal did not turn up to the court, and Akbar sent a message for Birbal to come to the court, and Birbal said that he would reach the court in some time. But minutes passed and hours passed, but Birbal did not come to the court. And finally, Emperor Akbar decided to go to Birbal's house and check upon him to find out why he did not turn up. And when he reached to Birbal's house, he witnessed something very strange. He felt very awkward. It was a very funny scene or a funny scenario that he saw. What did he see? He saw something like this. He saw that a earthen pot was hanging far away from a fire burnt on the ground. And apparently Birbal was cooking khichdi in the pot. And Akbar and his messengers and other attendants started laughing at Birbal and the act that Birbal was doing. Because children, see, the fire is so far away from the pot, and it is not possible that the khichdi will be cooked for, we can say for days and months, because the heat of the fire will not reach the earthen pot. That time he asked Birbal that, what are you doing? And Birbal then explained, how is it possible that khichdi will be cooked on this fire? Birbal that time made Akbar realize his mistake, that if a man standing miles away in the cold water in a lake can grab the warmth of a small lamp from the palace and stay awake and alert whole night in the lake, in the cold water of the lake, then it is possible that I can also cook this khichdi in no time. And immediately Emperor Akbar realized his mistake, what mistake he was doing and what he was missing, and he accepted that it is my fault, and he rewarded the poor man as well. And this is the story. Go through the book, read the story and try to understand the sequence of events.